If you've been afraid of wearing wigs your whole life, try a half wig, okay? If you like sew-ins, quick weaves, you need to try a half wig, sis.
I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody.
If you hate lace and you're not a wig girly, I dare you to try this wig from ISEE Hair. This half wig is everything, sis. I'm feeling so cute. Like, you can't tell me this ain't my hair, baby, okay? And the curl pattern of this hair is just so gorgeous. Let me show you how I installed it. Y'all already know how the ISEE Hair wigs come packaged, always super luxe. The wig came with this deluxe wig cap, an elastic melting band, and an adjustable elastic band strap. And here is the main attraction, of course. This is a Burmese curly texture, y'all, 24 inches long. I have not tried this texture from ISEE Hair yet, so I'm very excited to see what this one is about. And here is the inside of the half wig. You have one wig comb in the middle, two wig combs on each side, one wig comb in the back, and an adjustable elastic band strap. The wig also comes with this drawstring in the back, so I took out the adjustable elastic band. That way I can just tighten it with the drawstring. Now, as far as my natural hair is concerned, I did leave a little bit of hair out in the front, and then I have my hair slicked back into a bun in the back, and I just braided the bun so everything is out the way. Let's go ahead and put this half wig on. I'm going to go ahead and tighten the drawstring to get it as tight as possible. I will not be using any of the combs in the wig because I feel like that just pulls my hair and I don't like that. So the hair is really pretty on its own straight out of the package. Look at these gorgeous ringlets on the bottom. It's very, very pretty. I want to go ahead and pull out some of these ringlets just to see like what it's giving. Look at how full it got just from pulling out those curls. Since it's getting cold outside, that's really nice that you do not have to wet down this hair straight out of the box. I mean, you can if you would like to, but I'm gonna wear the wig just like this. So I went ahead and pulled out my natural hair in the front that I left out. So I went ahead and wet down my hair with just water, y'all. And I'm going to go in with this Camille Rose Moisture Refresher just to add some moisture to my hair. I'm going to work in sections, y'all. So I'm going to take a small piece of hair here. I'm going to take a little bit of Lotta Body Mousse, and we're going to run that through the hair first. Make sure you get it real good on the edges and the full hair. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Eco Styler gel and run it through the hair as well. We're going to keep doing the same thing as we move up the hair. So I went ahead and did my left side, and we're going to finish up the right side together so I can show you how I blended it in with the hair, because as you can see, the texture of my hair is kind of similar, but not really. The luster of my hair is not exactly the same as this Burmese curly. So I'm going to show y'all how I tuck it into the hair. It's going to look crazy before it looks good, so trust the process, babe. I'm going to go in with this gummy styling wax. I absolutely love this for holding down like my edges and things. This is one of the few products that actually does that. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put this on the edges of the hair only, okay? Then I'm going to take this small brush. I believe this is a teasing brush, and I'm just going to brush it back into the wig just where we place the styling wax. So leave the rest of the hair alone for right now. So we're going to start at the top here and work our way to the bottom of the hair. So you want to take a little piece of your natural hair. This is how much I'll be taking of mine. And then you want to pull a piece of the wig that's directly behind it. And you're basically going to like two-strand twist. So you're basically going to two-strand twist just the top of this hair, y'all. And I'm just going to continue to take small pieces of my hair. So we're going to continue to do this until we get all the way down to by our ears. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest. I'll be right back. So now everything is looking nice and seamless. I did like a little side flipping type action, not nothing too crazy, but yeah, this is definitely a vibe. I'm loving this. So I'm gonna do my makeup, then we'll be back. So I did my makeup off camera. I did record a reel for you guys, so I'll link that in the description box down below for you guys. But look how freaking cute this hair is and these curls. What? Yeah, I'm gonna have to start adding this one to my rotation, okay? This install turned out so cute. ISEE Hair definitely did not disappoint with this wig. I have yet to receive a bad wig from ISEE Hair, and I have tried almost all of their styles. And check the back of this wig, babe. She is super full, super fluffy. You're gonna love this one. If you're interested in checking out this wig from ISEE Hair, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box down below for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. Black Friday is right around the corner, so I'm sure they're gonna have a bomb sale. So definitely make sure you check that out.